Hello everyone. Want to see me work up a mock-up for a book I'm planning to sell? Then this is a video you need to check out. Hello everyone, it's me, your old pal Max West. As you know, I draw comics and I do children's picture books. And in this video today, I'm just going to work up an idea. I've got some cardstock here. Now, as you know, I do children's books. I just put out Hilda and Richie. This is for sale. I'm trying to get this into libraries. Already I'm working on their next book. That's going to be crowdfunded on Kickstarter in January. Also planned for Kickstarter next year will be the very first book collecting my Wild West comic strip, Poison Ivy Gulch. As I've shown you in many of my videos, it's a comic strip set in the Old West in the tradition of tumbleweeds and blazing saddles. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to work on a mock-up, a teaser cover to try to get people interested in the book. I'm probably going to crowdfund it on Kickstarter next year, probably in the spring or the early summer. Alright. Now, got some cardstock using my trusty mechanical pencil. I'm going to just do a mock-up here. Now, if you recognize this squarish shape, you're probably going to recognize pretty quickly who it is I'm drawing. Yep, that's right. I'm sketching there Samuel Sidewinder of Poison Ivy Gulch. He's a very easy character to draw. Now, I'm gonna freehand the lettering here. As you know, I've shown in other videos, I use an Ames lettering guide to add in letters. For this one, I'm gonna draw them freehand. This first book is going to be titled Poison Ivy Gulch Saddles Up. See how good that looks? Zoom in there. Yeah, you can probably see it. Of course, it's going to look a lot more crisper and vivid once I get the get the inks on. All right, here, Poison Ivy Gulch. That's going to be the title. Of course, it's going to be quite some time before we actually work on the book, so I can hammer out a final design. I'm going to use this chisel-tipped marker, letter in. Of course, yes, when it comes time to design the actual book, I'm going to use the use a computer typeface as well as a computer program, probably Photoshop, to lay out the book as well as design the cover. I usually ink with a dipping pen rendered with India ink. Markers, though, they're still pretty handy for drawing. They're quick to work with. Alright, now you see how much better that looks? Again, use whatever tools feel comfortable to you. Use a marker, use a brush, use a pen with India ink. I stand by what I've said numerous times in the past. Anyone can draw. I also like to keep drawings very simple. I'm just following the advice of Johnny Hart. I mean, some people have accused me of being much too stupid or being very lazy. Why don't you draw something beautifully rendered, something realistic? That's a lot of work. I'm going to be drawing over and over, so it's best I draw in a way I'm comfortable with. Now, Johnny Hart told lots of artists to simplify their work, and that's what I've done here. There we go. I'm going to probably let this sit and dry for a while. I'm going to color this in a future video. Again, Poison Ivy Gulch Saddles Up. It's a book we hope to put out next year. We're going to crowdfund this on Kickstarter, and it'll collect a number of the early Poison Ivy Gulch comic strips. The book will be in black and white. Right now I'm aiming it's going to be Garfield size, like a lot of the early Garfield comic strip books. That came in about roughly an 8 by 5 inch paperback book. I know now they've gone to the big square versions. I've gotten some quotes on those from printers. Those are much more expensive. I want something affordable. So yeah, I'm going to stick to the Garfield size. And if you're interested in this, I have links below in the video where you can buy this book. If you're a library who wants to carry Hilda and Richie, this is available in any, this is available direct from me, or you can go through Broad Art Company. Well, that does it for this video. Join me tomorrow for some more drawing. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to be notified of when I do new videos. And if you want to read more of Poison Ivy Gulch, just check out the link below. Until next time, everyone, it's your old pal Max West saying goodbye.